Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening your file and creating a second window with View New Window so you can show two views of the same workbook. Once done, use View Arrange All or simply drag one window onto the second monitor to place it there. Make sure both windows are restored, not maximized, so you can size them precisely. This lets you see different sheets or parts of the same sheet simultaneously and saves time compared with switching tabs. Next, position both windows and select View side by side to compare two sheets or ranges. Excel will highlight differences visually, which speeds cross-checks. If you want both windows to scroll together, enable synchronous scrolling. If you need independent navigation, turn that off so you can examine different areas. Also apply freeze panes in each window separately so headers stay visible on both monitors. These steps let you compare, copy, and validate data without constantly switching tabs. To finish, copy, paste, or build formulas across the two windows. Excel preserves cross-window references automatically, which simplifies reconciliation. Once done, save changes or use save as to keep a comparison version. If something goes wrong, like windows opening in one tabbed view or not moving to the second monitor, open a second Excel instance. Right-click the Excel icon and choose Excel, or use Windows key plus Shift plus right/left arrow to move a window between monitors. That usually solves common display hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.